Welcome to Hypertext. Today we'll be taking a look at the Huawei Matebook D15 powered by AMD's Ryzen 5 3500U processor. Let's start by opening the box and taking a look inside. The first thing you should spot is the 15-inch notebook itself. Clad in aluminium, the notebook weighs less than 2 kilograms but remains sturdy for those putting it into a backpack. In terms of ports, you have a choice of 3.5mm jack, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, USB Type-C, and HDMI connectors. Open up the notebook and you'll meet the near bezel-less Full HD 15.6-inch display as well as the magical 10 keyless keyboard. Elsewhere in the box you'll find a massive wall wart and a USB Type-C cable that you can even use to charge your smartphone in a bind. Inside the Huawei Matebook D15 you'll find a quad-core AMD Ryzen 3500U with up to 8GB of memory, 256GB of SSD storage, as well as Radeon Vega graphics. The battery inside the Matebook D15 measures in at 42 watt-hours. Taking a closer look at the keyboard, you'll find Huawei's signature webcam hidden between the F6 and F7 keys. To access the webcam, just give it a push. The Huawei Matebook D15 even features a fingerprint scanner built into the power button. This notebook also features Huawei Share, a quick and easy way to share your phone's display with the notebook. Drag and drop files seamlessly between your Huawei phone and notebook with Huawei Share. To find out more about the Huawei Matebook D15, follow the link in the description below.